Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Good evening. It's just got home from work just after a 12-hour day, but got a mail call I wanted to share with you. This is from my brother Dominic Minischetti. Thank you very much, brother. Appreciate that. And what do they charge for shipping nowadays? 16 bucks. What a rip. Alright, let's turn the camera down and I'll show you what we got. Alrighty. So, kind of what happened is during one of my Fired Up Fridays, I was striking a ferro rod, and the handle come flying off. So, Dominic was kind enough to offer to put an antler on it for me. So I just basically threw it in an envelope, dropped it in the mailbox. Unfortunately, they sent it back because somehow the ferro rod got torn out of the package. I don't know how that happened. I know they drop them through a thing checking for thickness because, you know, God forbid something slipped through the cracks. And they mailed an empty envelope back. So someone at the post office has my ferro rod, but that's fine. So what I offered to do is I offered to buy 2 ferro rods from Nathan4071. Got them off his eBay page, which I'll link in the description. And I said, well, I'll buy 2 and I'll give you 1, and if you want to attach the antler to the other, then that would be great. As you can see, this box is bigger than an antler, so I don't know what all he sent me, hence the mail call. So, packing stuff, cool. Alright, I think this must be the ferro rod. Oh man, that is cool. Look at that. It's a 6-inch rod by 3/8, and that handler is just gorgeous. That is so nice. Look at that. So this is gonna be featured in next Friday's Fired Up Friday. I'll tell you what. Oh, we got some sweet fatwood. Awesome. You know, as I've commented on a few other channels, it's like, you know, there's only a certain people who would be excited about a baggie of wood, and that would be me. In fact, there's something I'm thinking of that I need to go do right now, which I'll be right back. Alrighty, something that the Redneck Renegade mentioned, but I was labeling your fatwood so you know who you get it from. So we're going to put Brother Dom right there so I know who it comes from. It's going to be on Friday's video, and I'm going to dub the Dominator. Oh yeah. I'm glad you're feeling better, brother. Thank you very much. I really appreciate that. Love getting, man, that's just so cool. So smooth, too. That is just awesome. It's a nice ferro rod as well. Look at that. 6 inches. Sweet. Alright. This will probably be a quick video. Thank you very much. Thank you again, Dominic. His sticker is right here. I will, of course, link his channel down below. So, here's Dominic with plain old Chuck Shalisa shell, who I haven't seen videos from in a while. Let's see. Black and white fire starter, bushcraft and baseball, Carolina Chris outdoors, but backpacking with Buckley, Michael Bruner, surrounded by excellent people. You may not have been able to see all that, but alright, well, as always, I'll stop rambling. Thank you again, and I'll catch you all in the next one.